This is the RUM Cable Termination tutorial. The RUM Termination Kit has a diagram on how to terminate a cable in the upper left hand corner. Pause the video if you need more time to read the captions. To terminate a cable, you're going to need a pair of cutters, wire strippers, set to 24 gauge wire, and a 3/8 inch strip length, a pair of wire furl crimpers set to the appropriate tension, a 3mm straight blade screwdriver, a cable jacket cutter, and optionally a RUM wire twister. This wire termination procedure is going to produce debris and needs to be done over a trash can. With the cable jacket cutter, score the cable jacket 1 inch from the end. The rear of the wire strippers can be used as a length gauge. Rotate the cable jacket cutters only 1 full revolution. Move the twisted pairs out of the way so you can trim the pull line. Now untwist each of the pairs and spread the wires out evenly. Using the wire strippers, strip each of the wires. To keep the wire strippers from snagging, use light to moderate pressure when squeezing. Push the blue and the blue-white striped wires down and out of the way. Now gather all 3 of the remaining solid colored wires and twist them together with either your fingers or the RUM wire twister. When using the wire twister, shake it gently to settle the wires back as far as possible. When that's finished, locate a red wire furl from the kit and line it up with the exposed copper using the side of the crimper. Use 1 finger to hold the wire furl in place while crimping only the metallic part of the wire furl. Now gather the remaining 3 white striped wires, not including the blue-white wire, and twist those together. Now locate a black wire furl from the kit and line it up with the exposed copper and crimp it. Now crimp a white wire furl on the blue-white striped wire. Care should be taken when doing any of these crimps because a failure may result in having to redo the entire termination. And finally, a blue wire furl on the blue wire. Now that we have all those wires crimped, we're going to arrange them so they line up with the connector. They go black and white and then blue and red. Be sure to use a connector that doesn't have a pre-installed resistor. Now insert those wires into the connector and tighten outside inward. Tightening the outside screws first pulls the inner wires in automatically. To complete the termination, verify the pinout using the diagram provided on the kit case. The white striped wires should all be on the left and the solid colored wires should all be on the right. That completes a RUM cable termination.